Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I'm back with another job lead. Hey, Delta Airlines is currently hiring careers at Delta. There are 90,000 plus reasons to join Delta. What's yours? There are 90,000 plus reasons to join Delta. Every one of our employees has their own. Some of us want to explore new places. Some are here to explore our own career potential. Some are curious about other cultures, while others want to make a difference where they are. There's a whole world out there, and another one right here within Delta, which means that wherever keeps you climbing, you'll discover it with us. Search careers at Delta. Click on this here, guys, and you'll see all of the open opportunities. There are about 170 pages worth of jobs that are open with Delta. Our culture fuels our success. Delta Airlines employs over 90,000 international employees. Our culture is rooted in a shared commitment to living our values: honesty, integrity, respect, perseverance, and servant leadership every day in everything we do. Giving back has been the heart of Delta for more than 75 years. Our people believe we have a fundamental mission to give back to the communities where we live, work, and serve. Our employees contribute time, energy, and millions of dollars to host of worthwhile causes all over the world. Bringing people together is what we do. At Delta, we are committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion in the broadest sense to bring our values to life. We work to close representation gaps, strengthen our inclusive culture, cultivate a sense of belonging, and advance equitable opportunities for all employees to succeed. So they have military skills translators dedicated to hiring veterans, benefits to help you keep climbing. They have travel perks. The employees are eligible to travel. Partners can explore amazing destinations anywhere Delta flies through our worldwide pass travel privileges, discounted Delta vacations, perks, and reduced fares on other airlines, compensation and benefits. We are proud to offer our employees an appealing total compensation benefits package. They have growth development, which is Delta is a great place to develop both personally and professionally. They have transparent leadership. They have Delta well-being, where your employees are encouraged to put their health and well-being first. They have safety. At Delta, the safety of our people as well as our customers is the most important priority. And guys, you could just come through here, take a look at delta.com careers. They say they are proud to be the most awarded airline. They have Fortune, the world's most admired companies of 2022, Glassdoor, best place to work 2022, best customer service of Newsweek 2022. So guys, click on this button, search careers at Delta, and you'll be able to see all of the open job opportunities that are currently available at Delta. Super congrats to anybody who gets one of these roles here at Delta Airline. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day, guys. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. I appreciate you. I love you lots. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you for stopping by. Share this video with anybody you know that's looking for a job, guys. And I appreciate all that you do. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you later, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.